Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can clear cache in Android device. So I'm gonna show you how you can clear the cache files in the web browser and in the application. So we're gonna start from the web browser. Tap on the three dot icon and choose settings. Now swipe down and go to the site settings. Now swipe down again and look for the data stored. Now if you need to delete all the data, click on this button and configure it by delete. If you want to clear the cache files for only one site, just open the all sites and you will find it here. That was a method for the clear the web browser. Now the applications. So open the settings, choose the apps and tap on the CL apps. Now look for the app that you want to clear the cache files, like this one. Select the storage and cache and choose clear cache. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.